seconds. So jersey number 17 nakuha ni Goodis. Now chance for Paddlers. To Edison Makwa. Pass to Michael Daniel. 2 points coming from Michael Daniel. Nice. Garcia to Makwa. Makwa layup. 2 points. Goodis take a 3. Yes. 3 points. Now Edison Makwa 2 points. 3 points coming from Goodis. Makwa to Daniel. 2 points. Now 25 seconds. Now Makwa is 2 points coming from Makwa. Atong score 27 Bien Unido.